Hi, I'm Denise Austin. Are you ready for a great belly busting workout? We've got it for you. Target toning your waistline and your abdominals. So let's begin. Take a deep breath together. Inhale. Let's warm up that body. Stretch your spine, open up your chest, and stretch to the side for the sides of the waistline. Again, deep breath. Inhale up. And exhale out. Stretch forward, rounding the back. That's it. Lift up. Stretch to the side, to the other side for the waistline, and release. And let's do a little twist now for the waist. Warming up through the spine, working the abs in all directions, the front of your tummy, the sides of your waistline, as well as the lower tummy, the area we all need to target tone. And take a deep breath. Inhale up. And exhale, bring your knees in, and let's begin working through the waistline and your lower abs. Is your back strong and straight? That's the key. Good posture. Pull in the tummy, belly button into your spine. That's it. Placing your hands behind you. Lift up. That's it. Work those lower abs. Warming up through the abdominals. Last one, and little twists. Side to side. Little twist. Pull in the tummy. That's it. Really waistline workout. Twist. We got two more. Last one. And release. Inhale up. And exhale out. Okay, let's come and sit down and begin our target toning tummy workout. Sitting up nice and tall. Bring good posture to your spine. Tighten up those abs. And now round the back. One vertebrae at a time. Use your abdominals. Pull the belly in and release. Now elevate the feet up to a 90-degree angle. Place your hands behind your head and lift and lower. Make sure the small of the back is pressing into the mat. That way you work 100% of abdominal strength, using those abdominal muscles effectively and efficiently, making every crunch work for you. That's it. Tighten that tummy. Beautiful. We got two more. Last one. This time, take it all the way up. Hold it. Bring your arms down. Can you reach? Little reaches. That's it. Target tone that tummy. Reach. Flatten that belly. You can do it. It's worth it, I promise. Strong abs equal healthy back. Two more. Last one. Little baby reaches. Reach, reach. Feel it? Yes, you got it. Okay, and relax. Now, slowly bring your hands underneath your hips. We're going to target tone the lower tummy now. We're going to slowly bend one leg, tap it, and pull it back up. And now continue working that lower tummy. The goal is to feel the tummy use through the lower abdominal area, below the belly button. That's it. We got two more. Last one, and release. Now, can you lift up, chest slightly up, and now slowly lower the leg and pull it back up. That's it, beautiful. Again, the other leg, pull it back up. This is now target toning the front of your tummy and the lower end. That's it, in the triangle. The belly button down. That's it. Last one, use your lower tummy. That's it, and release. And now slowly little reaches up. Just reach up. Do the best you can. Now, for those of you that are just starting out, just bend your legs. That's okay. That's fine. You're still working the abdominals. Other than that, if you're flexible, you could do it with straighter legs. And then, if you really want to challenge yourself, level 3, you take it down a little lower. Down. Woo! Now I can really feel it. Two more. Last one. And release. And slowly roll up. Let me see your beautiful smiling face. That's it. And let's begin working the sides of our waistline. Lift your hips all the way up. Hold it into a low plank. Hold it right there, a side plank for the sides of the waistline. Now, if you're just starting out, bend that bottom leg. That will help support all the sides of the waist. And bring the arm up. That's it. Can you reach it up higher? Lift it. Stomach in. Now pull your rib cage in. Don't let it arch. It's in. That way you're working 100% of abdominals and rectus abdominis, sides of your waistline. For those of you who want to go to the next level, all the way up, And then stack your toes up and hold. Lift, lift. 2 more. Inhale. And as you exhale, pull the belly button in. Squeeze the buttocks. Tighten that tushy. And release. Beautiful. And let's line the side. We're going to stretch your body. And now pull. This is cinching in the waistline. That's it. Beautiful. Reach out and cinch in. Great. You're doing fabulously. Working that waistline. Lose an inch around the belt. That waistline will be nice and trim and slim. We'll work on that tummy too. Yes, we got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Now reach it all the way out. Reach out. Perfect. Let's switch sides. Thinking about always good posture. Now, for those of you just starting out, place your knee down. Lift yourself up. Reach your arm all the way up and just hold. Think about pulling the belly button in. Tighten up through the abdominals. Don't arch your back like this. It's sucked in. Pull it in. Hold it. That's it. Pull in. For those of you that want to go to level 2, all you have to do is stride your legs a little apart. Lift up. Lift up. That's it. And for those of you that want to take it all the way, stack your feet on top of each other. Squeeze your buttocks. Tighten that tushy. Pull in the tummy. Hold that side plank. It's working both sides of the waistline. And come down. Beautiful. And now let's reach out and cinch in the waistline. That's it. Reach and pull. Really feel it. Beautiful. That's it. Working through the waist. Great. The oblique muscles that really help your waistline go in. That's it. Really reach out and pull in. So you're getting it both sides. That's it. We got 2 more. We got 1 more. Beautiful. Okay, and really relax and stretch. Now come all the way down to a plank pose. Beginning on your hands first. I really want you to get a plank in the right position. Squeeze the buttocks. Tighten up the tushy. Pull your abs up and in. Tighten those abs. Hold it there. Okay, this is really good way to flatten the belly. Tight, tight, tight. Now can you come down to your elbows? A low plank. That's it. Now tighten up through the belly. Pull the belly button up and in. Hold, hold. That's it. 2 more. You can do it. Last one. Tighten it up and come down. Good. Inhale up and exhale out. Beautiful. Again. Inhale up. Exhale out. And come all the way down to your hands and knees. And let's begin our cool down. Everybody stretch now. Pull the belly button up and in. Stretch your spine, one leg with the opposite arm. Strengthening the spine muscles that line your back. And release. Let's work on the other one. Notice my neck is long, so my nose is down. Lift through the belly button. Pull the belly button up and in. Stretch from both ends with your fingertips down to your tippy toes. Hold it and release. That's it. Take a nice deep cleansing breath. Bring in the oxygen and let out any stress. Beautiful. Let's stretch out to the waist. That's it. And to the other side. Stretch it all the way out. So good for you. Stretch. Beautiful. And one more time to the other side. Up and over this time. Reach. That's it. Bend a little more. It's great to keep your back healthy and the entire waistline slim and trim. Great. We got one last stretch. Beautiful. Lift up. Stretch to the side. And to the other side. Feel the length through the spine. And one last beautiful stretch for the abdominals. Let's get into a beautiful cobra. Placing your hands underneath your shoulders. Lift your chest up. Hold. Lift up. Squeeze your buttocks. And release. And slowly relax into a child's pose. Great for the spine. And take a deep cleansing breath together. There you did a fabulous waistline workout. Great for the tummy.